to. I wanted to make a beginner lesson today. A very cool song. I haven't made a video in a couple days because it's very snowy here while, right at this time of year while I'm making this video. It's the middle of winter and I twisted my ankle. And then I couldn't play guitar. It's funny how that works. Anyways, I'm going to do this song called Not Ready Yet. It's like the theme song of depressed people everywhere. But it's a good beginner song. It's only got 3 chords, and they're easy ones too. A minor, E minor, C. And as I'll get into showing it to you, you can even kind of play partials if you want to. Now, before I forget, the Eels, the band, who's wrote and performed the song, they apparently use Capo on the 7th fret. All right, so this is like how it would sound. Did you know you can play a C bar chord? Sure you can. Anyways, we're not going to learn that. We're just going to learn it in the open position. And then, if you want to play with the capo, like you want to play along with the recording, you can just place the capo here and pretend this is the nut. You can play it exactly the same way I'm going to show you. All right? Or if you want to put it in a different key, because it's more comfortable to sing, put it wherever you want. All right? But you're still going to use these chord shapes. A minor, E minor, now on the C, the end there, I'm playing what's called arpeggio, so that means I'm just picking the notes slowly from the chords. I pick up my index finger. That makes it a C major 7. Gives it a more open kind of sound. It kind of follows the melody. Let's cover the chords though, since this is a beginner lesson. A minor begins on index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. That's your 2nd string. And then on the G string, which is your 3rd string, you're going to place your ring finger on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to use your middle finger on the 4th string. You can play strings 5 through 1 if you want to. They're not playing all all the strings. They're just picking a few out there. Maybe like 4, 3, 2, something like that. I don't know. I find it best not to try to think about these things too much. So that's your A minor. Now to change that to a C, it's pretty easy. You can keep your index finger on the B string at the 1st fret. You keep your middle finger on the D string at the 2nd fret, but you pick up your ring finger and you go to the A string on the 3rd fret, and that makes it a C. C and A minor are, they share all the same notes. Just different orders of the notes. But before it goes to the C, it goes to E minor. So I kind of showed you the chords out of order. But E minor is just simply taking, we're going to play open E as your root. We're going to take our, you can do it with any two fingers you want, but I usually take my middle finger and place it on the A string at the 2nd fret, and the D string at the 2nd fret with my ring finger. So it goes A minor, C, A minor, C. I have a clean sound on my guitar. All right. For some of it, you can put distortion on. That's one of the things the recording does. Is part of it is played with distortion. But if you don't have distortion, just try to change the dynamics with your picking, and it means how loud and how soft it gets. And I know, 'cause I've heard talk. In my sweetest dreams, I would go out for a walk. Okay, this is where you turn on the distortion, maybe. I don't think I'm ready yet. Not feeling quite up to it. I don't think I'm ready yet. I don't need you telling me how. Then you turn off the distortion, it goes back to the verse. So really it's the same chord progression. For both the chorus and the verse. That's what makes it a good beginner song. And it's only got 3 chords. It's got really cool lyrics, and it's a great song. Oh yeah, and they play some lead guitar at about 2.5 minutes into the song, maybe 2 minutes 20 seconds. That's kind of what they're playing. And so, like, I'm showing it to you on the 3rd and 5th. And if you were putting the capo on the 2nd, you'd be playing that up at the 10th and the 12th. All right, so hopefully that'll help you if you're looking to figure out what's going on. I think, you know, the melody is like in a different, I think it's in a different key than the song. So that's, I think, what makes it sound so cool. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.